Odigos is an open source project that instantly generates distributed tracing for any application without having to change a single line of code. This is done by combining OpenTelemetry and eBPF to auto-instrument any programming language. We have here a Kubernetes cluster with 10 different microservices written in Java, Python, .NET, JavaScript, and Go. These applications do not contain any instrumentation APIs or SDKs. Additionally, we have also installed Jaeger and will be using it to display the distributed traces. We are now going ahead and installing Odigos on our cluster. This is done by executing Odigos install. We will now access the Odigos user interface by executing the Odigos UI. As you can see, Odigos has detected all the running applications. Let's select those applications we want instrumented. We would choose the default namespace and then select all to instrument any applications deployed in this namespace going forward. All that's left to do is choose the observability backend to send the data to. As Odigos produces data in the OpenTelemetry format, it is vendor agnostic and supports all the popular commercial and open source destinations. Let's scroll down and choose Jaeger as our destination. Let's give it a name and enter the endpoint of our Jaeger instance. That's it. Odigos is now generating distributed tracing and sending them to Jaeger. It's as easy as that. Now let's open Jaeger. As you can see, we have a single distributed trace spanning 5 different applications. This was all done without changing a single line of code. For more information on Odigos, please check out our documentation at docs.odigos.io. Thank you.